I feel my skin connected with the universe. I can turn on the light of the moon or the sun from my heart.